Hello guys, you see this beautiful hairstyle? That is not the plan. Today's video we want to talk about how to wash locks properly. So stay tuned, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more. Let's dive in. So hello guys, good day. My name is Obi and I'm with Rachel. What's your travel name? Atieno. Okay, today we're going to learn how to wash locks properly. So stay tuned and learn from us. Okay, the first thing we need to do is wet the hair. So let's go in. So the water I'm using is warm water. So I'm actually having a problem with my water system, so I'm going to use water from the bucket. So the main deal here is just to learn how to wash locks properly, because some of us have been washing locks the wrong way, and that's the primary cause why most locks used to break. So today we'll learn how to wash locks properly. So if you have this kind of washing basin, the first thing you need to do is you need to always cover the outlet. Cover the outlet because she's having a longer thread. So I'll start with the length. Wow, water too hot. So now I'm using a very warm water, and you can see I've never applied detergent. You can see the colors that are coming out. So warm water really plays a very big role when it comes to washing of locks. You know, all those gels, all those products you've used, they need to go out for a new one to come. So always use a very warm water to wash locks. So now I've wet the hair. I'm going to be using my Tresemme shampoo. So I'll put my shampoo. So I'm generous with my shampoo because I need it to do a lot of work for me. To bring out all those village people and the rest out of the bread. So when you want to wash, my client is making me laugh. So when you want to wash, you don't do like this. It's wrong. You want to wash locks, you just massage. Keep massaging. Anyway, you're washing, you massage. Okay, just relax your hair. Just massage. Now, when you're massaging, you're doing two things. You're using one thing to keep you there. The first body you're killing is that you're making the client feel relaxed. And the second thing you're doing is that they're increasing their blood flow, which increases their hair growth, makes their hair to grow. So the reason why we are massaging is because we are washing the dirt out. But if you try to use your finger to scrub, what happens is that you can see my client is having a very light hair. So when we scrub like this, our nails are going to be breaking the locks. We'll be breaking the locks. That's why you see most clients, after they finish washing or after a long while, you see their locks having some fallout around the root, because the person that washes believes that you have to scrub very hard for the locks to be neat. No. If you want your locks to be neat, use a very good shampoo. That's all our advice. Use a very good shampoo. But if you want to give the person a proper treat, you should not scrub the scalp. No matter how they confuse you, not even convince. Because most clients can confuse you to do what you don't want to do. So, why for the body, you don't wash it like jeans. You just dab. You dab like this. So that's why I block the outlet so that the water will not go. Do you remember those days that if you are washing hard jeans, Rachel, You remember those days that if you're washing hard jeans, you don't have the strength to wash it. You keep it on the ground, you're doing it like this.
Exactly.
So that's how they treat locks too.
Okay.
So you just keep pressing it, pressing. You can see the dirt that are coming out. You can't do more than this. It's only good shampoo that will bring out dirt. So you remove the outlets, you allow the water to go out, you cover
Washing it as a cloth.
Yes. Some people just wash it like gin. You will just be scrubbing it. And that scrubbing makes the hair to break.
Okay. Actually, that's how I've been washing, like a gin, like we'll scrub it for thinking that it will remove all the dirt.
No. It's going to your hot water, your shampoo, and the main game.
I've learned today.
So this class is not really for people online. Our client is learning something. That's good. So we've rinsed the first set out. Make sure that you rinse it completely. You put in another shampoo to wash again. One thing I'll let you know is that the first shampoo you're applying, it's not going to foam. The reason is because the amount of dirt on the hair at that moment will not allow it to foam. So don't kill yourself. Don't finish your product trying to scrub. Somebody say at first point, thinking it's going to foam. It's not. If you see the hair is not foaming, it's a sign that the hair is still dirty. So you just be patient with the hair, massage properly. Then these edges, you use your thumb to scrub in a circular form. What you're doing now is you're distributing the shampoo to do its work. And if you're that with kind of a serious dandruff, we have scalp scrub that you use. Instead of using your hands, you use scalp scrub. It's made with sugar and some other product that helps to cleanse the scalp very neatly. So let me not talk much, let me do action. So listen. Amen. So you keep repeating this process until the water becomes neat. See the water? Still good. So the water is clean. So it's clean. So allow the water to go. Then we'll get our towel. You see the way I'm doing it. So you wrap the hair. So at this time, the hair is going to be very heavy. We use tie to keep it on their shoulder. So they will hold it like this. So guys, we are done, and this is the finished work. Wow! Tell me, how do you feel about this hairstyle? Did I pick the right choice for her? So if you want to learn how to style this hair, we actually have the live class uploaded. Is on the playlist, the Dreadlocks playlist. So please go to my YouTube channel, check on my playlist. You will see this particular tutorial because it was hosted live. And we post more tutorials every day. So do well to subscribe to this channel to get more updates and notification when we come live. So look at the client feeling herself and feeling so happy and displaying all our gifts. So thank you guys for watching. Remain blessed. As the remain of your signature. We love you. Do have a lovely day. Thank you.